Alright, have you ever spent hours copying business names, phone numbers, emails, and websites from Yellow Pages into a spreadsheet? If you've done it even once, you already know how boring and time-consuming that process can be. Now imagine if an AI assistant could do all of that for you in just a few minutes while you sit back and watch. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scrape business leads from Yellow Pages in minutes using BrowserAgent. Whether you're a freelancer, agency owner, affiliate marketer, local SEO expert, or simply looking for an easier way to generate business leads, this tool can save you a huge amount of time. BrowserAgent isn't just another AI chatbot that writes content. Instead, it opens a real browser in the cloud and performs tasks just like a human would. It can visit websites, click buttons, scroll through pages, collect information, fill out forms, and organize everything into a spreadsheet. The best part is that you don't need any coding skills or complicated software setup. Everything works through simple instructions or ready-made templates. Let's say you need a list of plumbers in Chicago, dentists in Miami, or restaurants in Los Angeles from Yellow Pages. Normally, you'd search manually, open each listing, copy the business name, phone number, website, email if available, and then paste everything into Excel. If you're collecting hundreds of leads, that could easily take several hours. With BrowserAgent, the process is much simpler. You simply create a new mission or choose a ready-made template. Then type an instruction like, visit Yellow Pages, search for dentists in Miami, collect the business name, phone number, website, address, and email if available. Save everything into a CSV spreadsheet. That's it. Click Run Mission, and BrowserAgent launches its own cloud browser. You'll actually see the AI navigating through Yellow Pages, opening listings, extracting business information, and building your lead list automatically. It's almost like watching a virtual assistant work right in front of your eyes. While BrowserAgent is doing all the work, you're free to continue working on other projects because everything runs in the cloud. You don't have to leave your computer on the task or keep the browser open. When the mission finishes, you'll receive a neatly organized spreadsheet containing all of the collected business information. This makes it incredibly useful for anyone doing lead generation, local marketing, sales prospecting, cold outreach, or client acquisition. Now let's talk about why this is such a big deal. Businesses pay good money for high-quality lead lists. Marketing agencies, freelancers, appointment setters, and sales teams constantly need fresh business contacts. Instead of spending hours manually gathering this information, BrowserAgent helps automate much of the repetitive browser work, allowing you to focus on contacting prospects and growing your business. Another feature I really like is the scheduling option. If you regularly need fresh leads, you can schedule missions to run automatically every day or every week. BrowserAgent will collect updated information and notify you once the task is complete. Even better, you can combine multiple missions together. For example, after collecting businesses from Yellow Pages, you could create another mission that visits each company website, gathers additional contact details, researches their online presence, or prepares information that helps personalize your outreach. That level of automation can save countless hours every month. Of course, it's important to remember that when collecting information from websites, you should always respect the website's terms of service and applicable privacy laws. BrowserAgent is simply an automation tool, and it's up to users to use it responsibly. If your business depends on finding local companies, building prospect lists, performing market research, or preparing outreach campaigns, BrowserAgent offers a much faster way to complete those repetitive browser tasks. Instead of manually opening hundreds of pages and copying information one business at a time, you simply describe the job, let the AI work through the browser, and receive organized results when it's finished. If you'd like to learn more about BrowserAgent or see how it works for your own projects, I've included more information in the description below. Alright, that's it from me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI automation tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.